Ever felt like your calendar is a chaotic battlefield? You're not alone. For service-based businesses, scheduling can be a nightmare. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon that could transform your scheduling chaos into a well-oiled machine? That weapon is Housecall Pro. Picture this: you're juggling multiple calls, quotes, and appointments. Your calendar looks like a Jackson Pollock painting. You're losing sleep over double bookings and missed opportunities. Sound familiar? Well, if you're ready to break free from the scheduling shackles, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Housecall Pro to show you how to harness its power to conquer your scheduling challenges. We'll cover everything from creating jobs and estimates to optimizing your calendar for maximum efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll be a scheduling pro, ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. So, are you ready to transform your business? Let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly break down what Housecall Pro is and why it's a game changer. Essentially, it's a cloud-based software designed specifically for service-based businesses. It handles everything from customer management to job scheduling, invoicing, and more. But why is it so special? Well, Housecall Pro understands the unique challenges of service businesses. It's built to streamline your operations, save you time, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Creating jobs and estimates. The first step to mastering Housecall Pro is creating jobs and estimates. Let's start with jobs. A job is essentially a service you're going to provide to a customer. To create a new job, simply navigate to the Jobs section in your Housecall Pro dashboard. From there, you'll be able to input all the necessary details, including the customer's information, the service being performed, the estimated time, and any additional notes. Once you've entered all the required information, you can save the job as a draft or schedule it immediately. Creating estimates is a similar process. The main difference is that estimates are proposals sent to potential customers before the job is booked. You can include line items, pricing, and any relevant details in your estimate. Mastering the calendar. Now let's talk about the heart of Housecall Pro, the calendar. This is where the magic happens. Housecall Pro's calendar is designed to give you a clear overview of your schedule, allowing you to easily manage appointments, technicians, and resources. To maximize your calendar's potential, you can customize it to your specific needs. You can create different views, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also color-code appointments based on different service types or technicians. One of the most powerful features of the Housecall Pro calendar is the ability to drag and drop appointments. This makes it incredibly easy to reschedule or rearrange your schedule on the fly. Optimizing your workflow. To truly master Housecall Pro, you need to optimize your workflow. This involves customizing the software to fit your business processes and taking advantage of all its features. For example, you can set up automated email and text reminders for appointments. You can also use the mobile app to stay on top of your schedule while on the go. Additionally, Housecall Pro offers reporting and analytics tools that can help you identify trends and areas for improvement in your business. Tips and tricks. To wrap things up, let's share a few tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Housecall Pro. Utilize the mobile app. Stay on top of your schedule and manage jobs on the go. Customize your calendar. Make it work for you by creating custom views and color coding. Take advantage of automation. Save time by setting up automated reminders and notifications. Explore reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your business performance. Seek support. Housecall Pro offers excellent customer support, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy scheduling. Remember to add visual elements, such as screen recordings and on-screen text, to enhance your video and make it more engaging.